Today's topics: carrot pigment biotechnology, Chennai port geography, India's installed power capacity economy, Ebola virus, Padma barrage geography, CRESTED IBIS environment and ecology species, right to be forgotten polity, science of Alzheimer's disease biology topic. Okay. First, regarding carrot pigment, here researchers found that if we add carrot pigment to pig fat or palm oil, it will mimic the Raman spectral signature. So what will happen if it mimics the Raman spectral signature? It authenticates the cow ghee. So in this way it will become equal to cow ghee, Raman spectral signature, even if it is not a ghee, pure ghee, right? Chennai port is going to get first green tag in 2028. Now port will get its first battery operated green tag in 2 years, right? This move is to shift away from conventional diesel powered tugs, cutting the greenhouse gas emissions, right? It is to unload the cargoes and all which is used on ports. That will be green powered, right? So it is formerly known as Madras port. It is second largest container port of India. Next, India's installed power capacity. India installed power capacity reached 520.58 gigawatt as per January 2026, with the power shortage declining from 4.2% to 0.03% till December. Next, Ebola virus is known as Ebola virus disease and Ebola hemorrhagic fever. The zoonotic viral hemorrhagic fever in humans and other primates is caused by 4 of the 6 known Ebola viruses. Next, Padma barrage is a vast river engineering and water security project approved by Bangladeshi government. So you have to remember that this project is of Bangladesh government. This initiative is to aims to construct 2.1 kilometer structure on Padma River at Pansha in the Rajbari district to store dry season water, combat salinity, mitigate agricultural droughts. Okay, it is the significance of this project. CRESTED IBIS. Now here it is also known as Japanese CRESTED IBIS or Asian CRESTED IBIS is a species of ibis native to Eastern Asia. It is generally solitary and quiet kind of bird, vocalizing mainly when taking flight condition, right? The population originally breeding in eastern Russia, North Korea, northern Japan and northern China. The CRESTED IBIS has been listed in Appendix 1 of the Conservation Treaty cities. Now it is a highly endangered, categorized as a highly endangered bird. Okay, so you have to remember all these points, that vocalization happens only when it takes flight. Very important, unique feature of it. Now, right to be forgotten. Here Delhi High Court has held that right to be forgotten flows from the constitutional right to privacy under Article 21 and enables individuals to seek removal of personal information from public digital accessibility when it no longer serves a legitimate public purposes. Okay, so very important new judgment. Signs of Alzheimer's disease. Here the blood test able to identify signs of Alzheimer's disease before symptoms appear. Then that is how in this way that with a higher level of biomarkers. Now what is that biomarker that blood test can identify regarding Alzheimer's disease is that presence of tau proteins, okay, in the brain signaling, which worsens the cognitive performance and accelerate and decline. So this is what the biomarker importance and blood test importance in finding Alzheimer's disease, right? So student, you can comment upon quality of the content and you can ask any queries regarding the current affairs. For further topics, you can subscribe on website of Bygrayps.